Hello, my name is Gerald Johnson. I am the business manager, finance at Russ Darrow Honda. For first-time car buyers, there's a few things I want you to remember. The first thing is budgeting. You should always be prepared and do your budget beforehand. That way you have a clear understanding of exactly what you can afford per month or what you can afford as a vehicle. The second thing is loan terms. We are very flexible as far as loan terms in order to meet your personal budget and to fit your needs. Once we get you approved, then we can figure out your payment plan, whether it be a shorter term or a longer term. And the last thing is pre-approval. Once we start the process, it's after completing a credit application. The credit application is going to give us everything that we need in order to begin the process in which to get you approved. Come see me at Russ Darrow Honda.